Good evening, everyone. I have the honor to be here to celebrate 10 years of DC Health Link. Thank you to Director Mila and all her team and the endless effort to support all our community, including the Hispanic community. Without DC Health Link, many of the members of the community in DC Health Link, business owners and families, they will not have the right and the benefits to receive health care. This is an amazing program, and I am just honored and grateful that this program is here in DC. Congratulations, DC Health Link. Thank you for everything you have done, and I wish you continue doing it for 100 years more. Thank you.
Wow, here we are, 10 years of DC Health Link. I started with supporting DC Health Link in 2014 and just watched it grow, watched it progress, and coming from just making people aware of DC Health Link to actually getting them to come on and helping them to see that it was actually affordable. And here we still are, still making this a dream for people. I mean, this is wonderful for people who never thought that they'd be able to afford health care, actually being able to. So I'm just thankful and just happy to be able to share 10 years of helping DC Health Link and helping the DC community become more healthy because of this program. Thank you.
Good afternoon. It is my privilege and pleasure to be here this evening celebrating the 10-year anniversary of DC Health Link. I have been with DC Health Link since its inception. It has been my honor to serve the persons and residents of the District of Columbia. During this time, we have been able to enroll a number of persons who thought that they would not be able to get health insurance, especially persons who had pre-existing conditions. It has been our honor to bring this information to them, to enroll them, and to allow them to get the insurance at an affordable rate and benefit from the pleasures of having health insurance at those times when they felt that it would not occur. These DC residents, we have helped over the years and hope that we will be able to continue to help them. We're pushing for 100% enrollment, and that's our goal. Thank you.
So with REMW, we've really seen the great work that DC Health Link does, especially reaching out to the small business restaurant community. Before DC Health Link, many restaurant employees went without insurance, and now with Health Link in the small business marketplace, it really just makes it much more affordable for these small businesses to be able to offer this benefit to their employees. But even beyond that, when they're not able to offer it to employees, they still have an opportunity to get coverage, which is so important, especially when you're working with knives every day. So we just really appreciate DC Health Link. Our partnership has been wonderful, and our restaurants truly appreciate Health Link and all the work that you've done.
So I'm with Latin American Youth Center, and we have partnered with DC Health Link for well over 5 years. We've appreciated the partnership that we've had with them, which has ranged from attending community events that they've had, and we've done food demonstrations at those events, doing Instagram Lives to make sure that our youth and families are aware of insurance options, especially for DC residents. And then they've always come through the last few years for our food distribution efforts, where we provide either chickens or turkeys and fixings to our youth and families in November and December, and they help to provide insulated bags where we can place those heavy items for our youth and families. And they've also supported our annual gala, and that support makes sure that over 4,000 youth in the area receive programs and services ranging from GED classes to mental health support, HIV, STI testing, case management, just to name a few. And so we're so grateful for DC Health Link and for that partnership that they have to make sure that our youth and families have the resources that they need to lead happy and healthy lives.
So I started back with the DC Chamber of Commerce back in September, and ever since joining the DC Chamber of Commerce, DC HealthLink has been a big part of that. They've helped with almost all of our events, if not all of our events. We partnered up recently for our Small Business Summit, and it's been nothing but a great experience. The team, the environment, the culture has been amazing. And I look forward to hopefully another 10 years of working with DC HealthLink.
DC HealthLink, I just want to congratulate you, your whole team, on 10 years of quality, exceptional service. I'm Natalie Harris, Chief of Staff with the DC Chamber of Commerce. I was on board when we actually enrolled our employees for the first time in 2013 for DC HealthLink, and we had nothing but great, tremendous support from the DC HealthLink team. It was a challenge. We had a lot of people trying to sign up and trying to help our businesses sign up, but you all were with us every step of the way. And we just want to tell you how much we appreciate you, all you're doing for DC, and we want to congratulate you again on 10 years. Congratulations, DC HealthLink.
Hi, I'm Nancy Hicks. I was on the DC HealthLink board for about 2 years, starting in 2014. I loved working on the board. Great people, very, very dedicated to the mission of DC HealthLink. And then when I left the board, I had been on a marketing committee during my time on the board, and they asked me to continue working with the communications team after I left the board. So I've had the wonderful opportunity the past few years of working with Linda Morton Boyd and her team on all kinds of marketing, communications, outreach issues. I absolutely love the work, and I feel so privileged to work with this team.
Hi, this is Kishan Putta, and I've been with DC HealthLink since its first open enrollment year in 2013 and 2014, and wow, it's been a long, wonderful decade of service and experiences. We went through 3 presidential administrations and persevered through it all, and I remember some really fun stories, especially from the early years. We had then Vice President Joe Biden come to our final day of enrollment, the open enrollment deadline in 2014. Joe Biden came to Carlos Rosario School, to our enrollment center, to thank us for our help, and it really made us feel really good about it. And who knew that he would be the president one day and would expand that same healthcare law to help even more people. And so that's what keeps us going, and we're going to keep going to enroll everybody in DC.
I am so excited to be part of today's event, the 10th anniversary of DC HealthLink. Wow, I was here with such a great team from 2013, working under the direction of Dr. Linda Boyd, but of course Mila Kaufman, and everybody else. Oh my gosh, it has been a privilege, a joy. I am so excited about what we've accomplished, what we worked towards when I was here and working with this group for so long, with a talented team, with so many wonderful, wonderful professionals. And I mean, in front of the scene, behind the scenes, everybody had a role. Our enrollers, our team of enrollers, our business partners, our community partners. Oh my gosh, how wonderful, how effective, how valued everybody was. It was such a pleasure to go out into the community, all the different communities in DC, touching people's lives, hearing their stories, hearing what they had to say to us, touching them everywhere. Everywhere they were, we were. And that's the great thing about DC HealthLink. That's the great thing about everything that we did. I am so proud of what we did then. But you know what? Tonight I got to hear a little bit more about what DC HealthLink has been doing since I did leave, and to hear about what they're planning in the future. Wow, 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 wow. Go DC HealthLink.
Well, I just want to say that I want to congratulate DC HealthLink on their 10th year anniversary. I have to say that I am a huge fan of DC HealthLink. Dr. Boyle, Linda is just fabulous. I remember her coming to the Latin American Youth Center when she was trying to get the word out to the community, and we started partnering then, doing a small event, and we've been working together ever since. And they've made me want to move to DC because I think that they have done incredible work with the exchange. And I'm just so proud of the work that they've done, and I want to congratulate them and for 10 more years to come.
It's an honor to be here for the DC HealthLink 10-year anniversary. I want to just thank the leadership of the Health Benefit Exchange, of the board, and all the staff for the amazing work that they've done in ensuring that DC residents have the necessary health insurance that they need to have healthy lives. Thank you for your work and looking forward to 10 more years.